This is a final video to fix the missing extra PCIe slot cover on your Lian Li case, and it will save you a lot of frustration. Are you struggling with that empty slot ruining your build's look or airflow? This usually happens because Lian Li ships some cases without the extra covers installed, or they get lost during setup. Most solutions you find online are complicated, involve cutting or modding metal, or require parts that are hard to buy. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that anyone can do without tools or expensive replacements. All you need is a spare bracket or even a standard PCIe slot cover that fits perfectly, and you can snap it in to cover the empty space immediately. It keeps your build clean, improves airflow, and looks factory fresh in seconds. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly where to get the parts and how to install them. So comment below and I'll make it happen.